Hello everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to earn up to 1 million XP using one lucky egg. And I'm going to be doing this by stacking all the XP events in the span of 2 days. And then I'm going to be using one lucky egg to collect all those XP. And if you haven't done so yet, please make sure to click the like button below so that this video will be shown to other Pokemon trainers. And if you like to see more Pokemon videos, please also make sure to click the subscribe button below so that I can share more tips, tricks, and shortcuts that I learned playing this game. So let's go ahead and get started. In order for you to maximize the XP earnings using just one lucky egg, you want to do all the special research events and not collect all the XPs. You want to collect that at the day you open the lucky egg. Another thing that you can stack is all the friendship level increase. And this is what I'm doing right now. Basically, the last activity you want to do the day before you open the lucky egg is checking all the friends you have that only need 1 day to increase the friendship level. I will give up to 20 gifts and hopefully they will open the gifts before or during the time I have my lucky egg open. I will also open as much gifts as I can. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward here now so that you don't get bored just watching me opening and sending gifts to my friends. Just make sure that you do not leave this screen because once you go back to the main screen, you might start getting XP credit that you just collect. Because the XP is actually given to you once the notification shows in the main screen. Also, I will leave the rest of the gifts to open on the day I will use the lucky egg, just in case Niantic decides that this cannot be done anymore. But as of today, this technique still works. Okay, so I just finished the activities for today. I messed up a little earlier. I accidentally go back to the main screen and it releases 5,000 XP into my account. So now you can see that I have 2,399,904 or a total of 11,899,904 total XPs. So what I'm gonna do from here now is I'm just gonna go force close out the screen and then come back on it tomorrow. This is day 2 and today I'll be using the lucky egg as well as the star piece. What I'll do is go to the item quickly once it logs me in and I'll open both the lucky egg as well as the star piece so that everything that happens will now give me double XP and 1.5 times the stardust. Make sure that you do this quickly so that the game won't have enough time to give you the XP credits from the friend level increases activities that you did the night before. And as you can see right now, we are starting at 2,399,904 level XP or a total XP of 11,899,904. So this is the same XPs that we end up from last night. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first let all the XP earnings from last night's activities to come in. And I'll do that by simply going back to the main screen or the map screen depending on how you call it. I won't do any activities until the last night's XP earnings are credited to me, just so you can see that it works. You'll see that the good friends are giving me 6,000 credits, which is a double of the regular 3,000 XPs that you will get if you don't use the lucky egg. I think I opened about 12 to 15 gifts last night and then I've given away 20 gifts also. So basically we are looking between 80,000 to 200,000 XPs. 80,000 XPs if nobody opens the gift and up to 200,000 XPs if everybody opens the gift that I sent. Let me just fast forward from here and let's go to the next section. Okay, activities have now stopped for at least 15 seconds. So let's go ahead now and check how much XPs did we earn from last night's activities. As you can see now, my level XP is now at 2,499,644 compared to this morning's 3,399,904. So that's about 99,740 XPs that's added. So it looks like there's not much people that open the gift. So now I'm going to continue with all the XP earning activities that I can do while the lucky egg is still active. Here, I will collect all the XPs that accumulated from special research. I'll be spinning a Pokestop, catching Pokemons, and will open the last 30 gifts that I have reserved for this event. I can also do some evolution if I have enough time, so let me go ahead and start doing this. If you just noticed, I also increased to level 38, so my level XP is gonna start again from 0, but we have a total XPs that we can focus on to compare how much XPs we actually gain for these events. So I just finished opening all the gifts. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go back to the main screen or the map screen so that I can let all the XPs come in before the egg expires. Make sure that you keep an eye on your egg timer because you want all your XPs to come in before that time expires. Okay, so let's do a quick look at how much XPs we earned. Remember, we started with 2,399,904 at level 37. Now we are at level 38 with over 800,000. And the total XPs that we started this morning is 11,899,904. And since I still have some time in my lucky egg, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and look at all the Pokemons that I can evolve, and I'm just going to start evolving them. Okay, so I'm done now with all my XP level event activities, and my lucky egg has now expired. And if you see now, I'm on level 38 at 901,244 XPs, or a total XPs of 12,901,244. So that is a total of 1,001,340 XPs just in 30 minutes. I hope that you found this video helpful. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel. And thank you for watching.